I'm going to show you how to create new folders for a video project. So on the desktop, you're going to see in the top right NHS Technology Local. If you hit Finder, you should also see a shortcut to it right here as well. If we click Local, you're going to see your classes here. If I go to Videography, which is my Period 2 class, you can see that each folder has a very specific way that we name it. It's the year, the project name, and then my name, or your name rather, right here in parentheses. Inside of these, every single time we have a new project, we make a project folder, and every single time we do that, there's audio, finished videos, media, project files, and video. These are 5 folders that we always make inside of our project folder. So, say we're going to make a new one on February 5th. Our project would be 2018-02, not a forward or backslash, -05, and say it was on, let's say, Islands. Islands. The project name, and then we put our name. So we have our Islands project, maybe taking some B-roll and making a project on just various islands. Weird example, but bear with me. Inside of here, we're going to double-click and right-click New Folder, and then we're going to make our folders here. Audio, video, media, project files, finished videos. So we have those. Now videos, obviously if you take your videos, you can transfer it into video. Anything you download, never save anything just to the downloads. We'll go in here and we'll delete everything in the downloads. So never save it to there. So you can save the pictures and different things into media. When you create a project file, which is another tutorial, we put it into project files. When we export our final video, we're going to put it into finished videos. So we utilize all of these folders.